Hey everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today we're doing a quick unbagging for the GORUCK Ruck Your Mile February 2019 patch that they sent out. GORUCK's been running these monthly challenges every month, where if you sign up and do the event, they'll send you a patch for free, which is awesome. Last month was shipped USPS first class mail. This one was shipped UPS ground, and I don't know what kind of a deal GORUCK's getting on shipping. I've looked into UPS ground and it's expensive, so I'm shocked to see it show up on UPS ground. You get the patch for free, shipped to you for free, with anything else they throw in there for free. So there's nothing you can really complain about, and I'm glad they're still doing it. Got the return slip in there, just in case you don't want the free patch, you want to send it back. Just like last time, we've got the insert from GORUCK. It's got their story on it. Cover up my face a little bit so you can check it out. It's pretty cool. Gotten so many of these in the past that don't really need to read it anymore. But if you're new to GORUCK, then it's probably an awesome thing. Last month we got a sticker too, which was great. No sticker this month, but the patch is here. The February Rucking Challenge was 1 mile a day for the month of February. If you missed a day, then there was some PT you had to do. Thankfully, I didn't miss any days. I shot an AAR video for it, which I think turned out pretty cool. Got some good feedback on it. So if you want to check that out, it shows how I jinxed the Seattle area and kind of screwed us over for a lot of snow. This is an awesome patch. It's got the same stripe pattern that the Resolution Ruck patch had. It's got the spearhead, mile a day with the feet, February 2019. Throw it up here, put it over my face so it will center on this instead of myself. You can check it out. Just an awesome way to get people out rucking consistently and reward them with something. Like I said, patches cost maybe $1 or $2. At the quantity GORUCK's probably buying them, it's probably $1, maybe even a little bit less. But then they have to pay to ship it to you, pay for the inserts, all that stuff. So I'm very happy that they're still doing this. I don't know how long they'll be doing this for free, but I'm going to take part in it every month they are. If you took part in the February Mile a Day Challenge, I'd love to hear how it went for you. If you're signed up for a future one, can't wait to hear how you do at it, and hopefully you got something out of this video. If you're signed up for one of those events, then you know what to expect. And if you're not, then this is what you could get if you decided to go out there and ruck a little bit. Thank you so much for all the support. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. Tons of rucking content coming out weekly. We'd really appreciate it. If you like this video or want to support the channel, give it a thumbs up. That's appreciated as well. Thank you again, and don't forget, attitude is everything. Keep yours positive, and drink hard, ruck harder.